everyone, welcome to Latoonie. This is AJ here from Latoonie.com. So, a couple of quick updates. The ultrasonic Macho Man is due to land in US around mid of May. Uh, I would say the ETA right now is a ship to reach, you know, uh, port at in California around May 13th. Add an out week or two on top of it. Sometimes things move quickly. This is our first shipment post tariffs update as they call it. So not sure how long it will take. I'm expecting maybe a week. Historically, the turnaround time is pretty quick, so please bear with me. I'll share updates as things get moving, but I'm hoping it should be in our hands. The big shipment should be in our hands sometime in May. So I think it's already May 5th. So maybe add another, week and a half for it to reach the port, and then maybe another week more or less for it to reach our warehouse. So as soon as we will get it, we'll ship it out literally the next day. Priority mail, we will get it out. I think it will bring in a lot of smiles. A lot of folks have been really excited about this one, and it will kind of set the tone on what else is coming. Now there is obviously we did share out the information on the yellow Macho Man, kind of again going back to the mega powers kind of coloring mode. So the mega powers Macho Man in the small WrestleMatic series and the giant series will be going up for pre-order come June 1st. We're gonna go in at the same price. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna get in at the same price, and as things move, I think right now, I don't believe, but this is just my personal opinion. Again, I don't believe these tariffs will hold at that scale for too long. So I'm expecting, I think by the time our shipment will be coming, it will come in. Worst case, if it doesn't, it is what it is. Anyways, it will be going, they will go live at the same price point. And I think the yellow one, a lot of you who actually dropped by at our booth were really excited to see the yellow one. And obviously, just as the white one or the pink, Macho looks good in any color. So really excited to get this out. Obviously, I at WrestleCon when we were there, unfortunately we missed our pre-production giant, Everest Machoman shipment by few hours. So we already had left for Vegas, and the Macho Man arrived at a later time. So I got a pre-production Macho Man loose in hand, and this is the pre-production Macho Man. Um, Let me see if I can get you guys a clear look. Sometimes it's very difficult to see, but we got the veins going over here. Obviously, the pattern of the mega powers on his hairband, the Macho Man at the back, the giant macho shoes, kind of catering towards that LGN styling. And so this guy is ready. Production on it starts today. At the time of recording of this the video, the factory is gonna kickstart the production on Everest Macho Man today. So really excited and can't wait to get it all out in your hands. I do have the packaging as well. So now we will obviously adjust this a little bit, but just wanted to give a closer look. I think we're gonna raise the packaging by a quarter inch more. So I think it's about 13.75 inches right now. So we'll probably bump it up to 14 inches. Gonna get a little bit more real estate above. Obviously, this is how Macho Man will look like. You got the Everest Wrestling Everest series doing a crossover diagonally. I'm still working on what on the sides a little bit, so we might adjust some things. Maybe we might even add Legion of Doom on the sides, because I know they're coming up next. So perhaps we might actually throw those guys over there as they're coming. And then obviously on one side, I think we'll probably keep it the way it is right now. Um, Obviously, we going at the back, you got the Macho Man, you got the two pictures, got the bio of Macho Man, and then we have the logo, the Wrestling Ever series, and the code. So this is basically what this comes in this packaging. I think the packaging, once you will see it in hand, it will really pop. uh, we will keep on changing these packaging. Some we might bring this back, but depending on the character, some of these packagings are going to change and evolve. We got a lot of things planned, and as we go forward and we go deeper into even Macho Man as a character and other characters in general, the one we are doing, then we will kind of see how we will keep adjusting the packaging as we go along. So this is coming production wise 30 to 40 days from first week of May. So I would expect somewhere around June, tail end of June, for the production to wrap up on the Everest Macho Man and the Legion of Doom. We haven't started mold on that yet, so we will start on it this month, as I had posted an update as well. As we go deeper, I'll start sharing more packaging details for the Legion of Doom and moving forward as well. So that's for the Everest Macho. Uh, we do have a couple of other items that are about to wrap up production. Andre the Giant in the black singlet and the Warrior paint is due to complete this month, along with Demolition X. Now we do have Smash. We do have uh, the what do you call it, the Hall of Fame Macho Man up for pre-order as well. So as we move forward, I think you guys will once you'll see the Demolition in hand, I think you will really fall in love with the way it came out. But at the end of the day, all of you are the main, I would say, you are the main consumers and the reviewers of the product. So if there was any mistake, we will try our best to actually rectify that and actually correct it in moving in early and moving forward, all the releases that we have coming up. So there are two items I'm working on. I might have stated this to some of you at WrestleCon who visited the booth as well. There's gonna be a paint variant coming on Macho Man, uh, and it's gonna be very unique. It will actually bring back yeah, I'm not too sure. I think if you really follow Macho Man as a character, then you would be. It will take you right back. Oh yeah, I saw it, kind of thing. And for some of you, it might be a surprise and out of the box thing, and that's okay. That's what we want to do. We want to keep things out of the box. We want to bring in surprises, and we want to do Macho Man is as many possibilities as we want, right? I'm a huge Macho Man fan, along with all the characters and the wrestlers that we have signed. So we'll try our best to cover as many looks of those as possible, and we'll take it from there. But not every look is for everyone, but I think some of you, once you will see it, I think you will appreciate the next one that's coming in. I think it will kind of bring in a lot of surprise. It literally will come out of nowhere. If you're a cricket fan like me, or if you're, so then the term is Yorker, which is right in the block hole you will basically get. So it's kind of like that kind of thing. It's really, I would say, uh, very out of the box. So I think you guys will like it. And we got two new, actually three characters I'm working on right now. Three different figures, which are gonna be coming into the WrestleMatic series. Again, I think those will also kind of. I think will probably. I think will surprise. I think is the word probably I'm looking for with a lot of folks. So those are coming as well. We are working quite diligently and hard to get those out. Inoki, are gonna. We did the we did the mold of Inoki. I wasn't really perfectly happy with it, so I unfortunately had to change it. Else we would have started production. We are still on track for Inoki delivery, but I absolutely had to make those adjustments. So Inoki is getting remolded. So we are going to remold Inoki, and then I think we are on track. So I should have the mold done this month, and I should have the pre-production Inoki in hand around June. So I'll share that out as it comes along, and then obviously Flare will follow that. I think Flare mold starts next month. So that's all I have for all the updates. So few quick news, as I mentioned, we'll share as the samples come back to me, and I'll share those out. This age is signing off. Thank you all for all your support as always, and a big thank you to all of you who visited the booth at WrestleCon. And it was an absolute pleasure to meet you all, learn feedback of various products, not just Latoonie, and also gets to listen to how passionate everyone is about wrestling, and talking about wrestling back in the 80s, 90s, current. So I had a blast at WrestleCon. We'll try our best to make it to future WrestleCons as well. Sometimes, depending on, this was just around California, so we wanted to go out there, but we'll see. We'll try our best to be at other WrestleCon, other wrestling conventions in future as well. But uh, you know, uh, thank you all for your all your support as always. This AJ signing off from Latoonie.